Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export bank transactions in Xero and how to reconcile your business expenses, even if you have zero knowledge of Xero. I'll be using the Xero demo company so you can follow along exactly. Let's get started. Part 1. Exporting bank transactions in Xero. Once you're logged in, click your organization name at the top left and choose Demo Company, AU or NZ or US. On the main menu, click Accounting, then Bank Accounts. Here, you'll see all your bank feeds. Click on any bank account, for example, Business Bank Account. This takes you to the bank account dashboard. This is the part people often miss, so watch closely. Inside the bank account view, 1. Look for the Account Transactions tab near the top. 2. On the right side, click the Export button. A small menu appears. You can export the transactions as CSV, good for Excel or Google Sheets, PDF for printing or sharing, Google Sheets if connected. Choose CSV because it's the most commonly used. Xero will immediately download a file containing all visible transactions, dates, descriptions, references, and amounts. If you want only a specific period, 1. Use the date filters on top. 2. Choose your time range and then click Export again. This gives you a custom statement you can use for reporting, audits, accountants, or backup. Part 2. Reconciling business expenses in Xero. Still inside your bank account, click the Reconcile tab. Here you'll see where Xero tries to match bank transactions with your bills, invoices, and spend money records. Each line is split into 2 parts. Left side is your bank statement line. Right side is what Xero thinks the transaction is. If Xero recognizes the payee or amount, it suggests a match. For example, if there's a $45 payment to office supplies, Xero shows Match Found, Office Supplies Expense. Just click OK and you're done. The transaction is now reconciled. Some expenses won't have a match. In that case, we create a spend money transaction. Here's how. On the right side, click Create. You'll see a form where you enter payee, e.g. Uber or stationery shop, description, taxi expense or office supplies, account, choose an expense category like travel, office expenses, advertising, repairs and maintenance, tax rate, usually GST on expenses or no GST, depending on your region. The amount is populated automatically. Click OK. That expense is now added to your books and reconciled to your bank statement in one click. Go back to the bank account to Account Transactions tab. Here you can see a green tick for reconciled, no tick for still pending. This helps you keep your accounts clean and up to date. And that's it. You now know how to export bank transactions and reconcile business expenses in Xero using the demo company. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.